Alright guys, so I want to show you this basic working prototype of the microbit controller. Let me zoom this out here just a little bit. There we go. So I'm going to get this finalized and more polished, but I wanted you to at least be able to see what we were dealing with here. So these are just basic Lego bricks here built up, and I've just got a rod through that's flexible. And then what I have here, these are some from the Lego EV3 kits or Technic pieces here. So this flows freely through there. And then this bar here just kind of holds it all in place. And you can see that I've got some just L brackets in here. And then I have this pin. So the key is this tan pin because this allows, there's not as much friction. It's a frictionless pin, where like the black or blue ones have a lot more to it. And the only reason that I'm using this gear is I'm not using the gear for any sort of gear function. It just allows for the lineup of my pieces pretty straightforward. And then I've just got a base, and I'm going to further build this out. Right now, as I was prototyping, I just duct taped the battery pack and the microbit to the top. So the idea is that I have this forward and backward motion here. And then when I run the pin this way, I can pivot right and left. So I've got all my axes that I need. So the thing that I want to do is build this in, make it look a little nicer, eliminate the duct tape on this part, get this all looking good, and more importantly, find a way where I could get this built where it just stands, where I could pull out a pin or something and then it would be flexible. So that's what I'm using for the controls. And then I might build it up a little bit more so it's easier to kind of handle. Right now it's kind of just wobbly, but it gets the job done and actually does work. So there's that build, just so you can see that. And when I get it finalized, obviously I'll show you the post-production.